What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find old stories on Facebook using the mobile app. If you've ever posted a story on Facebook and want to go back and view it later, you can easily do this by accessing your story archive. Open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the main menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Your Activity and tap on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a record of your activity, including posts, interactions, and stories. You can also access the activity log by going to your profile, tapping on the three dots to the top right of Edit Profile and selecting Activity Log from there. Once you're inside the activity log, there are two ways to access your old stories. The first way is to tap Archive in the top left. Then select Story Archive. This section stores all of your past stories even after they've expired from your profile. Alternatively, in the activity log, you can scroll through the horizontal bar of options in blue color and tap on Story Activity. From there, tap the Archive option in the top left and select Story Archive. This will show you a chronological list of all the stories you've posted in the past. You can tap on any story to view it in full screen and see the details. From there, you can also choose to delete or save them if needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.